College bun fibro kane pada kadai ka result kayong ka High Court of Meghalaya Shillong kamta ka post yung kadai ka junior administrative assistant. Tekini candidate ke bala qualified namta ka main exam. Teka result yung ini kiban post ka viva voce kyo. Notification: the result of the main written examination for the post of junior administrative assistant on the basis of the main written examination held on 26/8/2023 for the post of junior administrative assistant in the High Court of Meghalaya. The following candidate has been found eligible for viva voce. The final selection of your candidature will depend on the performance of the viva voce. The candidate shall report to the viva voce on 3/11/2023 at 10:30 am in the High Court premises. Tekini candidate kiba qualify kan mau kan ka viva voce kan dei laitrik bunai khatway arja apply shi post dang hakata ka High Court premises. Ingkerdeng jogi candidate kiba qualify kidon ar huingut kil ai kerol lembar lai kerteng yang split tangi kerteng aibor rapshan marbaniang banalari lendra banella shisha kharbithai bele dona krim benrap kuparwar donbok lang thongni godwin alasta kharpani govin star lingdo nongbri yobok lang khongjo kraw kupar soklet kiefer herzberger khongsit leon gabriel Kharkongor, Lawrence Collins Marbanyang, Monica Shalam, Munmun John Pingrup, Onesmon Wadni Nongbri, Peter George Lingkhoy, Pinyaj Dame Pertu, Sanko Parsavian, Walam Sok S. Lalu, Werlan Kharsati. Call letter to eligible applicants for appearance in the viva voce are being dispatched by speed post. Te call letter ro kilapa limbaga speed post ngatry gen sayo higane. However, a general copy of call letter is displayed with this notice also. If for any reason any eligible candidate in this list does not receive the call letter by post, he may take a printout of the call letter, fill up the particular and paste a passport size photograph and bring the same along with extra copy passport size permission to appear in viva voce serial date time as per the roll number. Take to give you pada kinlek kuno general copy let call letter is displayed with this notice. Telah display lang mereka kan notice tu fill up ban print yang katakan notice copy yo ekani fill up page po official website ni katakan dan telah yo pada bisa paste kadur kejong pi kumbala batai lah dah yo ya katakan call letter lang bagas speed post te tangkini kejong tip college bun.